Celery has only 20 calories per stalk. 3N-butyl phthalates present in celery relaxes muscles, thus lowering blood pressure, helping with asthma and bronchitis. Celery can decrease the risk of kidney stones, dissolve uric acid crystals, and help reduce pain in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Celery is good for decreasing the risk of stroke and recovery from stroke, and apigenin, another phytonutrient in celery, has a powerful effect on blood sugar, making insulin more sensitive, improving conditions like insulin resistance, and leading to weight loss, less fatty liver, improved heart health, and more energy. Celery is a potent anti-inflammatory and is good for improving eye strain and blurred vision. It can also protect liver cells from toxins and improve bile flow, and it is antibacterial, antiviral, and alkalizing. Celery is unfortunately one of the vegetables that come with a lot of pesticides, so it is best to consume organic celery.